America at South Coast Welding Academy. First of all, I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. It's really great to see a great turnout around here. I want to thank all the competitors that are here competing. You guys are the future of America. You guys are starting young. You guys are going to be coming shortly to a refinery, to a pipeline, to a fabrication shop. All this stuff around here, guys, is built through welding. And you guys are getting to one of the greatest trades in the world. And the good part is you guys are starting young. Yep. Again, I said it last year, but I wish I would have started in high school. You guys are one step ahead of the game, gentlemen. And also, I want to thank all the instructors, the high school instructors. Yep. Without you guys, taking these young men, let's give them a hand. Come on. Let's give them a hand. I want to make a special mention to our corporate sponsors. Without these companies, this event wouldn't have happened. So first, I want to thank R&R Gas and Supply.
There you go, R&R.
Mr. Chris Rudy, where you at, Mr. Chris Rudy? Let's give him a hand. Our next corporate sponsor I want to acknowledge, Outlaw Leather. Thank you, my man. Appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Without you guys, this wouldn't happen. So now, we got our last year's champion. The man that took the crown last year, Mr. Alvaro Torres. Let's give him a hand.
Thanks for everybody coming out, you know. This turnout was a lot bigger than last year, tell you that much.
Good morning, everybody. Jason Becker, Weld.com. We got new episodes coming out for you guys every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on YouTube. Make sure to check us out.
Hey, everybody. It's an absolute honor to be here. And so all of you know, by showing up here today, you've accomplished the first step necessary in being successful welders in this trade by rising to the challenge and testing your metal. That's what today is all about. So best of luck to all of you.
Hi everybody, my name's Travis Hill. I'm a rig welder from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I'm actually very grateful to be here. Thanks to Alan, thanks to Amar, thanks to Abraham, and thanks to everybody at South Coast Welding Academy.
I'm honored and humbled to be here again. Alan and Amar put together a fine program down here, and we want to really support this. And this has grown to be a very, very strong event.
Like I said, Schofield Welding, we're out of Colorado right now, that's where we're at, but I mean, what a blessing to be here. South Coast Welding, WeldTube, I mean, the opportunity we were given to come down here is just incredible.
Hey, give yourselves a round of applause for Ridgewood. Y'all made it over here. We're really one step ahead from everybody else. Thank you for coming out. This is our second annual welding competition. Last year was regional, this year is national. So again, we have people from West Virginia, we have people from I think Oklahoma and Ohio and stuff like that. So that's crazy. You know, and so it's really, really good to see that.